If you've been injured in a car accident that's not your fault, you may be hesitant to file a claim through your own insurance company. But you shouldn't be. I'm Phil Snyder, a personal injury attorney who's handled thousands of cases and received millions of dollars in settlements. And I'm going to share with you the one thing that insurance companies tell victims and clients that is not true. And this little tip could save you thousands of dollars on your personal injury claim. Following a car accident claim, personal injury victims are justifiably concerned that if they go through their own insurance company, their rates are going to skyrocket. Well, this isn't always true. If you're involved in a crash that is not your fault, guess what? The insurance company cannot raise your rates for using your medical benefits, your collision coverage, or your uninsured motorist coverage. How's that possible? Florida Statute 6269541. Look it up. I'm not lying. What that statute says that if you are not substantially at fault for a crash and you use your medical benefits, so PIP coverage, personal injury protection, to pay for the first $10,000 of your medical treatment, the insurance company cannot raise your rates as long as the crash was not your fault. Let's say you fix your car, you want to go through your insurance. Your insurance company cannot raise your rates. Finally, if you have uninsured motorist benefits, so that means that the at-fault party either doesn't have coverage or they don't have enough coverage, and you want to use your own benefits that you paid for, Florida Statute 6269541 says the insurance company cannot raise your rates. Now, the insurance company can raise your rates for a host of other reasons, and I understand why someone would be concerned. Why should I have to go through my coverage if I wasn't at fault? I get it, but those specific benefits, PIP coverage, collision coverage, uninsured motorist benefits, if the crash is not your fault, Florida Statute 6269541 says they cannot raise your rates. Navigating insurance after a car crash can be confusing. That's why we're around to help. If you have any questions about your case or Florida Statute 6269541, give us a call. We're always available to help personal injury victims navigate their claim and expose why the insurance company oftentimes lies in order to get you not to go through your insurance, even though your rates will not increase.